If you're looking for a unique appetizer, try these zucchini taco cups. They taste great, have healthy ingredients, and it's really easy to make. Start by taking 2 cups of grated zucchini. Make sure you squeeze out as much of that water as you can. Add a 1/4 cup of onions, 1 garlic clove, a 1/2 cup of Parmesan, a 1/2 cup of pepper jack cheese, a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Here's a brand that I used. I like that it has as little ingredients as possible. Then you'll add in a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika and cumin and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And finally, add 2 eggs. Once you have everything added, mix it all together, and then you're going to let it sit, and you'll start cooking up your ground beef. I use 93.7 for the ground beef, but use whatever you like. Just make sure that it's fully cooked. From here, take a muffin tray and make sure you spray it with either olive oil or avocado oil. You'll add your zucchini mix first. Make sure you don't fill it up more than halfway. I was planning on this making 12. It ended up making 9. Once the zucchini mix is added, you'll take your ground beef and place it on top. Make sure you save a little room because you're going to put more zucchini mix on top of that, so that ground beef is going to be in the middle. Of course, we then have to put more cheese on top. I used a combination of pepper jack for half of it, and then I used Colby Jack cheese for the other half just to get a couple different flavors. Put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Put it on a plate, let it sit for 5 minutes, and there you go. Subscribe for more and let me know what you think in the comments.